All right, question 8 is kind of a silly question that you need to really work out on your own. But I'll walk through it verbally here for you, and then I'll press run for you, even though get a piece of paper and try to figure out what this turtle's doing, right? Okay, let's talk it out. We imported the turtle. We created the window. We created the turtle. We set the turtle speed to 5 just so that we can see what it's doing. And then we said, hey, turtle, turn right 90 degrees. So if you think about it, a turtle starts facing to the east to the right. So if it turns right 90 degrees, it'll be facing down. And then turn left 3,600 degrees, which means it's going to turn left by that much. So how much is 3,600 degrees? Well, a full circle is 360 degrees, and 3,600 divided by 360 is 10, so it turns left 10 times, and then it turns right, turn left 10 times, which means it would, so it starts facing right. It turns right to face down. Then it turns left 10 times to still be facing. Then it turns right by negative 90 degrees, which means it turns left by 90 degrees. Which means it turns back to facing right, and then it turns left again by another 3,600 degrees, which means it's going to turn left another 10 times to still be ending up facing right. And then it's going to go forward by negative 100 degrees, or by negative 100 units rather, which means it's going to walk backwards. What's going to happen is the turtle's going to turn face downward, then turn around 10 times, then turn to face back to the right, then turn around 10 times, and then moonwalk backwards 100 units. There we go, we turn right, and he's turning around, he's turning left, and he's probably turning around again. Eventually, he's going to stop here in a second and moonwalk backwards 100 units. So if you had read through this and you figured that it would have worked differently, take a look again at what these are actually saying and see where you maybe made the wrong intuition.